On 4 through 7, you are just solving these problems. 9 times 0, 0 times 5, 7 times 1, 1 times 4. On 8 through 10, it says, in the space below each problem, write the property it shows: commutative, associative, or distributive. So you are going to have 3 options over here on the side on your Google slide, and you are going to drag your answer to the correct problem. So it will say commutative, associative, or distributive. Number 8 is 3 times 4 plus 7, and my parentheses are around the 4 and the 7. And then that equals 3 times 4 plus 3 times 7. So what they did here was they took 3 and they distributed it to the 4 and the 7. So which property would that be? Number 9, 4 times 7 equals 7 times 4. There's no parentheses here, and all they did was flip-flop the problem. Number 10, 3 times 4 times 7. 3 times 4 is in parentheses, and that equals 3 times 4 times 7, but now the 4 and 7 is in parentheses. So all they did here was they changed the location of your parentheses. So they did different groupings. So which property would that be? This is your week 2 assessment over multiplication strategies. I'm going to read the test to you and give you some hints along the way. For question 1 and question 2, on your Google slide, you will have an X over here that you are going to just drag over to one of the answers. Number 1 says, Ken planted 6 rows of beans with 4 plants in each row. So with these 2 pictures right here, which one represents 6 rows of beans with 4 plants in each row? So you're going to drag your X to the correct picture. So again, which picture shows 6 rows of beans and 4 plants? Number 2, Sue arranged her rock collection in 3 rows with 5 rocks in each row. Again, you will have an X over here on the side of your Google slide, and you are going to drag it to the correct picture. So which picture shows 3 rows with 5 rocks in each row? Number 3, a store sells 4 different kinds of soccer shirts. Each kind of shirt comes in 4 colors. How many different combinations of shirts and colors are there? For this problem, I want you to see if you can set up the multiplication problem on your own. So this problem should look like blank times blank equals blank. So if a store is selling 4 different kinds of soccer shirts, each kind of shirt comes in 4 colors. So based off these 2 numbers, find your multiplication problem.